good Australian sunny Bonani. Another morning in Sydney. I've lost my friends. I'm trying to locate them. No one is answering their phone. I don't know if they're still sleeping. I think jet lag got the best of them. I think they're all still sleeping. I woke up late myself. The guy said he was here. Is there another Vodafone shop?
He was here? No.
No? Is there another Vodafone shop around here?
King Street.
Where's King Street?
King Street is about 10 minutes walk from here.
Okay, I'll go there.
20 minutes later.
How crazy is this? Look at this guy. Sorry, go on. Why are you hiding there?
I'm not hiding here, but I have prepaid data for my car, which I forgot it. Because I'm on 2G and the signal's 4G. So I'm running this.
Is it charged?
It's going to 4G now. No, I don't make anything up. It's just
1 year old and still a little bitch. Happy birthday, stuck up halfway, scruffy looking nap. Happy birthday week. Yeah, that's right.
Can we send these two? That's so cool.
Yeah, thank you. Beautiful people coming to you live from the... Where are we? We are at the Sydney Opera House. When we say from 𝙏𝙗𝙖𝙣 to the world, this is what we mean. From 𝙏𝙗𝙖𝙣 to the world. I've always wanted to come here, and comedy brought me here. I am truly so happy and feeling so blessed to be here. Meet my friend, Joe White.
Hello, I'm Joe White, Thenjiwe's friend.
And meet my other friend, Joe Black.
Hello, I'm Joe Black.
Joe is a friend of mine, a fellow love technician. We met 2 years ago.
In Montreal.
And now we are here again in Sydney.
That's it, and we're loving it.
Comedy takes you places. Your job takes you where? To the office. But it does.
Sorry about that for sensitive viewers, but we will be editing that for international press. Thank you.
we dance.
We're going up or we're going that way? Oh, we can go that way.
If you want to enter, I think this way.
I want to see what the top looks like.
Okay, let's go.
People come here for a good workout.
It's good.
We have one.
Just do it one, going up, coming down, you're done. Ah. Yeah, there was a lot of stairs. Come on, Eugene, you can do it. Don't give up.
God, you feel the material. That's warm. Don't get advantage of it. This is warm. You know how warm this is? Oh,
Showing off.
Your neck will never discover this level of warmth.
Show off.
Oh.
Jeez. Is this how the starving kids of Ethiopia feel?
Do you guys want to go for a cruise or go
No.
inside for the tour?
Let's go have coffee. I love coffee.
Oh, you love coffee. You love your coffee.
I'm addicted to coffee. I want to take my stepdad to have coffee.
Has he never had coffee? Oh, yeah.
You ever have coffee?
I think so.
I didn't know you had a stepson. You didn't tell us.
2.
2. I want a coffee, but is their cappuccino good?
Do you drink skim milk or regular?
Huh?
Skim milk or regular?
Regular.
Do you want any shots?
Hello, Pippa.
Hi, Pepper.
That's the best job in the world.
Yeah, I know.
You never have to kill anyone.
Just likes to chase them.
Quite right.
Only seagulls.
Only seagulls.
Only seagulls.
Seagulls. Seagulls and cancers. And reminiscences.
That's a lot of work. I've been doing that the whole day. Yeah.
When the camp change, oh, there's a fucking bench. And I sit and follow on that guy. At some point, you're gonna have to get off this fucking thing. Then he has to give me half.
Why would you wanna be?
Support him getting off this fucking thing and ending his career.
Why would you wanna be that guy?
That's fun.
Why would you wanna be that guy?
Someone did. Guys, like, I'm from CNN. I'm going fucking nowhere. I'm busting this guy.
Why would you wanna ruin somebody's career?
Maybe he's.
If we start a fire underneath him, you reckon he would be tempted to get off this thing? No, just something that would make him think while the smoke is billowing and the heat is coming. He'll be like, must I get off now or must I stick around? I wouldn't have done it.
Yeah.